Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to find out the density of regular and irregular solids with few examples. So first we have to remember the formulas. The first one, density is equal to mass divided by volume, and the SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. And the second one, mass is equal to density divided by volume. The SI unit of mass is kg. And the next, volume is equal to density into mass, and the SI unit is meter cube. And the next one, this is the density of irregular solid. Density is equal to mass divided by V2 minus V1, and the unit is gram per milliliter. So let us take the first problem. A block of metal has a mass of 68,576 kg and a volume of 8 meter cube. So find the density of the metal. So first we need to write the given data in the question. So then it will be easy to find the answer. So in the question, a block of metal has a mass of 68,576 kg. So it is mass. So write mass. And then volume of 8 meter cube, that is V is equal to 8 meter cube. Then find the density of metal. So that is D. So we know that the formula density is equal to mass divided by volume. Substitute the values for this formula. Then we get the answer 8,572. The unit of density is kg per meter cube. And here the division part for your clarification. So the next question, calculate the volume of 3,860 gram of gold which has density of 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. So first we need to write the data, that is mass is equal to 3,860 gram and the density is 19.3 gram per centimeter cube, and we need to find out the volume. And we know the formula density is equal to mass divided by volume. When rearranging the formula, we get volume is equal to mass divided by density. Then substitute the values. And students, you know how to divide the whole number by a decimal number. You learned in the last year. Now we will apply the same method for division. Because here only one decimal place is here. So we will multiply by 10 for numerator and denominator. Then we get 200. And how to write the SI unit? Observe carefully. According to the data in the question, we have gram divided by gram per centimeter cube. See, in the numerator and denominator, same units are here, that is gram and gram. So it will be cancel each other. So the remaining unit is centimeter cube. So we get the answer, volume is equal to 200 centimeter cube. So here is the division part for your clarification. So the next problem, calculate the mass of air in an empty room with dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter into 2.5 meter. The density of air is 1.3 kg per meter cube. So first list out the given data. Here you can observe they gave the volume, but volume is not mentioned directly. Instead of volume, they gave the dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. So we know We know the volume formula, V is equal to length into breadth into height. So when we multiply 4 into 3 into 2.5, we get 30. And meter into meter into meter, it will become meter cube. So volume is equal to 30 meter cube. And in the question, density is here, that is 1.3 kg per meter cube. So we have to find out mass now. So write the formula, density is equal to mass divided by volume. Then rearrange the formula, we get mass is equal to density into volume. By substituting the values, we get 39. And for the unit, meter cube and meter cube, it will be cancel each other. So the unit becomes kg. So we found the answer, mass is equal to 39 kg. Let us discuss one more problem. A 56.1 gram of rock is placed in a cylinder with water. The volume of fluid rises from 40 milliliter to 46 milliliter. Calculate the density of the rock. So list out the data first. Here they have not mentioned the mass directly, but gram is the SI unit of mass. So we can take 56.1 gram as the mass of the rock. M is equal to 56.1 gram. And the initial water level is 40 milliliter and the final water level is 46 milliliter. So we need to find out the density. Here first we had to find out the volume. So how to find out the volume? Here we have two readings, that is initial water level and final water level. So V is equal to V2 minus V1. So then we get volume is equal to 6 milliliter. Now you can substitute this 6 into density formula. And see, this is the division of decimal number by a whole number. So here only one decimal place is here. So we can multiply numerator and denominator by 10. This results both the number become whole number. Now it's easy to divide. Then we get the answer 9.35 gram per milliliter. And students, this is the division part for your reference. I explained 4 problems now. So you can practice these problems in home and solve the same type of problems given in the homework. Thank you.